Hello guys, it's Aldous here. In this video I will show you the routine of making super simple electronics project with stuff laying around you. So let's begin. So my idea in this project is to make some sort of moving knife mechanism that cuts fruits. First you need to visualize the project, how it looks, what it does. And this simple idea you can output to paper even without some hardcore electronic schematics. Like here, I'm making a simple schematic with boxes that have text in them. I'm using microcontrollers, servo and a relay here. And that's it. Then, you need to know how it looks and how it moves. A simple trick is just to sketch it on a paper like this. And yeah, I know I'm not an artist. Now that we have a theoretical part, it's time to start making it real. And so I firstly connect the knives to the servo, which I found laying around somewhere. I simply screw it in to the servo heads. I have a brushless motor laying around somewhere, and maybe if the project's results are good, I'll use it. Then we need to somehow connect these servos to some sort of board, and I'll probably just use this PVC sheet of plastic. I do not recommend this, but in most simple projects the easiest way to connect stuff is hot glue, and that is what I'm using here. Since I don't have a PWM controller, I will use a cheap Arduino Uno for controlling the pulse. I put in a simple code for it to move back and forth. Now, it's time for testing. I know these servos are weak, so I doubt they will actually have the torque needed for cutting the fruits. So as it seems, the servos are too weak. If I would use stronger servos, it would work. But the main point of this video is you have to visualize the project, you have to write it down, and then you can make it with your own two hands. Thanks for watching.